As indicated by the most recent long-haul figure, Axie cost will hit $12 by the center of 2024 and afterward $20 toward the finish of 2025. Axie will ascend to $25 inside the time of 2027 and $50 in 2035. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $11.12, so the cost expanded by 26% from the very outset of the year. The determined Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $23.35 and the year-to-year change plus 164%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 110%. In 2024, we hope to see $21.12 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $30.36. In the final part, the cost would add $1.79 and close the year at $32.15, which is plus 189% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $32.15 to $54.18, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $32.15, then dip to $28.15 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $29.43. That implies plus 165% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $54.18 to $68.19, which is plus 26%. Axie will begin 2031 at $54.18, then take off to $57.40 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $57.88. It is about plus 421% from today. 3s are 1 2s into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $9.50, so the cost expanded by 7% from the very start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.91 and the year-to-year change plus 80%. The ascent from today to year-end, plus 67%. In 2024, we hope to see $14.39 per one Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $20.68. In the last part, the cost would add $1.22 and close the year at $21.90, which is plus 131% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $21.90 to $36.98, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $21.90. Then dip to $9.18 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.05. That implies plus 111% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $36.98 to $46.46, which is plus 26%. Axie will begin 2031 at $36.98, then, at that point, take off to $39.11 inside the principal half of the year, and finish 2031 at $39.43. It is about plus 315% from today. 2152 into 4. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.91, so the cost diminished by 11% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $19.88 and the year-to-year change plus 125%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 151%. In 2024, we hope to see $13.71 per one Axie. In the primary portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $23.29. In the last part, the cost would add $1.25 and close the year at $24.54. Which is plus 210% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $24.54 to $41.48, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $24.54. Then, at that point, take off to $26.05 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $27.18. That implies plus 244% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $41.48 to $59.30, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $41.48, then take off to $43.97 inside the main portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $46.44. It is about plus 487% from today. So 2001-2004. Axie value expectation 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $6.86, so the cost diminished by 22% from the very outset of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $15.12 and the year-to-year change plus 71%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 120%. In 2024, we hope to see Teleton 43 per 1 Axie. In the main portion of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $17.71. In the final part, the cost would add $0.95 and close the year at $18.66, which is plus 172% to the ongoing cost. Axie expectation 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring an increment. Axie cost would move from $18.66 to $31.55, which is up 69%. Axie will begin 2026 at $18.66, then, at that point, take off to $19.81 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $20.67. That implies plus 201% from today. Axie forecast 2031-2035. In this period, the Axie cost would ascend from $31.55 to $45.10, which is plus 43%. Axie will begin 2031 at $31.55, then take off to $33.44 inside the primary portion of the year, and finish 2031 at $35.32. It is about plus 415% from today. 01152024. Axie value forecast 2024-2025. Axie cost began in 2024 at $8.84. Today, Axie exchanged at $7.93, so the cost diminished by 10% from the start of the year. The Guaj Axie cost toward the finish of 2024 is $14.36 and the year-to-year change plus 62%. The ascent from today to year-end plus 81%. In 2024, we hope to see 10 at $10.44 per 1 Axie. In the principal half of 2025, the Axie cost will move to $15.21. In the final part, the cost would lose $1.89 and close the year at $13.32, which is plus 68% to the ongoing cost. Axie forecast 2026-2030. These 5 years would bring a critical increment. Axie cost would move from $13.32 to $28.89, which is up 117%. Axie will begin 2026 at $13.32, then take off to $13.93 inside the initial half year of the year and finish 2026 at $14.74. That implies plus 86% from today. Axie expectation 2031-2035.